I got HP Pavilion, and the model number is 16-A00332DA. And the issue is, as you can see guys, the charging port, it's totally damaged. So this laptop is not charging. In this video I will try to replace the charging port. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computers, so don't forget to give me like. First thing first, I need to open 8 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they have 4 down. And this is the last screws. Let's open the back cover. As you can see guys, here is the charging port and it's under this hinge. So I need to open 3 screws and take it out. And this is the last screws. And just be careful. Here is just be careful. And this is a brand new charging port I ordered from Amazon. I will leave the link for this product on description. On the left side, a brand new connector. On the right side, the broken connector. The job is done. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.